Well, don't do it, it's dirty. Now we're gonna look for the camera. That camera there, see? This one here, that one. You see that camera? We're gonna talk to them. Welcome to TVegano for him.
Welcome to TVegano.
Today we're gonna make mush on the Barbie.
Mush on the Barbie.
Yeah, with this mushroom here.
Yeah.
Do you love it, huh?
Yeah.
This name of this mushroom is so crazy. They have many names I have to say to you. Some of them. Pleurotus eryngii, Boletus of the steppes, French horn mushroom, trumpet royale, king oyster mushroom, king trumpet mushroom, eryngii in Japanese, Zaizonic beziot in Korean, and Xingbao Kun King Chang Chung Han Cheng. Must be Chinese, of course. So, let's go to the ingredients.
Ingredients.
So, let's get this mushroom and make some small holes here. You can use a toothpick. You can do this for me? Can you do it? Okay, you can help Papa with this. And then we're gonna make this little holes and all the mushrooms just to soak better our sauce. You can also cut this edge. So now for the second part of our recipe here, mush it on the Barbie, we're gonna put the sauce on these mushrooms. So this is a mix of some herbs and spices that you can see on the description. Okay, you're gonna help me here to put this sauce here? Oh, we just do it like this.
Ooh.
Wow, do you wanna do it?
Yeah.
Okay, try it. Hey guys, now we're gonna use the olive oil. So we just cover a little bit to give you a little bit more taste. So you can help me. Help me?
Yeah.
No, it's just to put the oil above it. Yeah. Put it up high like this. Yeah.
Goodness.
Okay, little drops. So first we're going to use the chopped apples. And add the cinnamon and sugar that you have on the description. And mix. You can add half juice of a lemon. You can add some vegan fat or margarine if you prefer. Stir a little bit more. Okay, now I put the lid on and also put the fire on the medium heat, okay? And wait for 5 minutes to get the apples softer. So after 20 minutes in the oven, is ready our mush on the Barbie. So we cover with barbecue sauce and some apple cinnamon on top. So let me see. You can see. And it's ready to eat our mush on the Barbie. Let's try, Amora?
Yes. I want this.
You want this?
Yeah. Eu quero sem.
Try it.
Eu quero sem pimenta.
So, for today it's enough. Let's see next week with new videos in Portuguese but with English subtitles. See you, bye bye.
Bye bye.